So good evening, good evening, good evening. We're going to talk about Declan Rice as the deal is imminent. It's close. It is match points. It is nearly done. It is done. It is complete. It is edging closer. Jesus Christ. Arsenal are preparing a bid. We're in the crucial stages. And we've negotiated the fee and the terms. And they're going to put a bid in imminently. Okay, mate, we've heard this for over a week. 2 weeks, yeah. The amount of crap I've heard as well. What is this match point? This is a match point. Yeah, nobody's put a bid in for Declan Rice. I have no idea why anyone is waffling about this being close. It's close. Okay, then West Ham are now ready to accept Arsenal's bid. Well, they haven't put a bid in. So how do we know that? It makes no sense. But anyway, smash the like button, people. 39 subscribers away from 82k. So get that boxed off, please. That'd be great. Big up to everybody who's subbing to Lee Reacts. That channel's way over 12k. It's nearly on 12 and a half. So thank you very much. Do go and sub to that. I've put a video out about Kylian Mbappe on there. Make sure you stick the thumbs up on this. Leave your donations down below with the super thanks option. And let's get into this nitty gritty. Arsenal will enter crucial stages for Declan Rice. Official bid expected soon after positive talks in recent days. What have they been talking about? Like, let's just deep this for a minute. What have they actually been talking about? Because surely it'd be, okay, how much do you want? Okay, you want 100 million. Okay, cool. How would you like the payments? That's it. That is literally it. I know there's legal sides of it and all of that. I get that, but literally, how much money do you want for Declan Rice? Okay, 100 mil. Okay, well, we'll pay you 90 plus 10 million add-ons. Okay, accepted. How am I missing a trick here? Yeah, I will absolutely bust up laughing, yeah, if we do not sign Declan Rice. Because all of the receipts are here. They're all here. They're all here. Arsenal are closing in on a 100 million deal for West Ham midfielder Declan Rice. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. It just makes me laugh. Yeah, I see all these other clubs doing business. I don't see none of this crap around any other club. I don't see any of it. Arsenal are on the verge of signing Declan Rice. Yeah, look, and then Sky Sports 7 hours ago. Declan Rice is Arsenal's primary target. Clubs are struggling to agree on valuation, says Damesh Chef. Who's telling the truth here then? Because apparently we're close. And we'd already agreed. Tonight. We're just doing the payments, right? Declan Rice has made his decision to join Arsenal. Official bid expected very soon. Arsenal could sign their own N'Golo Kante as talks progress. Oh my days. This has got to be the biggest load of crap I have ever seen on any single transfer ever. And I'm not even taking the mick. We see a lot of crap every transfer window. I do all the transfer videos. We see it every single January, every single summer. This signing that hasn't signed yet, the stories that are coming around Declan Rice, this has got to be the biggest amount of BS I've ever heard on any transfer in my life. Deal close, deal imminent, deal agreed, fee agreed, imminent, close, match point, nearly done, talks progress, preparing a bid lodged. Like, no, it's not. Hello, how much do you want? Okay, cool. That is it. It's not difficult, man. It's not difficult. Why are they trying to make out that they are all in the know? None of these people know their ass from their elbow. They ain't got a clue. And then what will happen is if we don't get Declan Rice, they'll spin it that, well, West Ham priced us out of a deal. They priced us out of it. But I thought talks were progressing and it was match point and it was nearly done. It's ridiculous. Look, 4 hours ago, Sky Sports journalist says clubs are now ready to accept. The club is now ready to accept Arsenal's bid. But 3 hours before that, Sky Sports also said that they're nowhere near accepting bids. They make this crap up as they go along. Arsenal have been heavily linked with a move for Declan Rice this summer. Sky Sports Germany, Florian Plettenberg, has claimed that West Ham are now willing to accept the Gunners' bid. This is the same journalist, by the way, that on his tweet, I think, put out there Aston Villa instead of West Ham that Rice plays for. I'm pretty sure it was that guy. Yeah, so ignore everything he says because he don't know what day it is. Let's see what Sky Sports England are saying. Sky Sports UK. Dharma Chef and Mark McAdam outlined the latest developments in the potential moves to Arsenal for Declan Rice. Well, where is it then? Where's the story? Oh, it's a video. I ain't watching that. Another waffle session. At the end of the day, the talk around this has been going on for weeks and weeks. In fact, we've actually been speaking to Rice since January. So I don't genuinely understand, after all of the BS of these little knobs online, these little bellends that sit online thinking they're journalists or aspiring young journalists, yeah, that all think they know everything. They ain't got a clue what day it is. Yeah. Oh, but we're waiting out of respect. We're waiting out of respect to speak to West Ham because they were in a cup final. Well, that was 6 days ago. 6 days ago. Why haven't we put a bid in? Surely the day after that, we should be putting a bid in. We have had 6 months from January to now to get the fee, know the fee, ready the payments, do the deal, and then as soon as the window opens, bang, it's done. Or as soon as that final finishes, bang, put the bid in. Yeah, why are we sat here 6 days later without a bid? It makes no sense whatsoever. Yeah, but Lee, the transfer window's not open yet. Oh, really? How did Newcastle sign a player yesterday? How did they sign a player yesterday? Over 50 players have been transferred already around Europe. Over 50. But Arsenal, no. Nah. We're still imminently prepping to lodge a bid. But it's match point and it's super close and it's nearly done. It's deal done, complete. Load of garbage. Absolute load of rubbish. I said to Terry, by the way, I'm on with Terry in an hour. I said to Terry last week, he said, oh, do you think the deal will be done? Because that was the day before the final I was on with him. I said, it won't be done by the time we speak next week, mate. Won't even put a bid in. Here we are, a whole week later, and we've still not put a bid in. How do I know my club inside out like this? Oh, yeah, because I've seen it every single season. This club takes the piss. Yeah, the first thing we should have been doing the day after that final is getting a bid in to West Ham. Yeah, how much do you want? Bang, there's the money. Don't even fucking haggle. You want the player that badly? Boom, there's your 100 million. Jog on. Give us the player. But no, round and we go with a bunch of absolute nobody puppet fucking idiots online thinking they're journalists because they've paid for a blue tick on Twitter that anyone can pay for. Unbelievable. And they talk in posh terms like, oh yes, there's many suitors for Declan Rice. The fuck you do? What? You mean there's clubs in for him? Oh, there's many suitors, and it's match point, and the the knowledge within the industry, or the feeling within the industry. That's the one David Ornstein used. The feeling within the industry. What the fuck are you chatting about, mate? What are you talking about? These people have not got a Scooby-Doo. Yeah. The fact and reality is we have not bid for him. They can dress it up how they like. Yeah, I'll see one yesterday. Listen to this crap. Listen to this. This is hilarious. Do these people not think before they write this stuff or say this stuff? Smash the likes up, people. Do these people not think? Honestly. Arsenal could hold first talks for Declan Rice with West Ham at the Premier League Chief Executives meeting this week. But I thought we've been having talks all week anyway. But we could hold first talks for Declan Rice at the Executive Premier League Chiefs meeting this week. I thought we'd already had talks with them. I thought talks were progressing. I thought the deal was imminent. Then let's move on. Another one. I've got every single receipt. Has anyone managed to cop the Arteta Revolution book by Charlie Boy Watts? No? Okay, cool. The same Charlie Boy Watts who told us Mbappe was close to Arsenal in 2017, yeah? Right. Arsenal are close to agreeing a fee with West Ham for Declan Rice and are expected to pay more than 100 million for the midfielder if certain add-ons are achieved. The bid is yet to be submitted. Okay, so Arsenal are close to agreeing a fee, but the bid is yet to be submitted. What are you chatting about? But talks between the clubs are progressing smoothly. That's a guy who writes for The Guardian. But the Daily Mail just told us that we're going to talk to him this week. We haven't spoken to him yet. It's almost like they make it up, isn't it? It's almost like they make it up. It's literally almost like they make it up. So bid imminent, preparing a bid, ready in a bid, talks ongoing, ready to lodge a bid. He gave his word, fee agreed, terms agreed, deal close, match point, only wants Arsenal, bid after the final, upper hand for Rice, no other suitors. The talk in the industry, only wants Champions League, prefers London, excited by the project. Why haven't we signed him then? He wants to come. We want him. He wants to leave that much. He rejected 200 grand a week at West Ham. We've been in contact since January, agreed terms with him. He wants London. Why the fuck ain't we signed him? They want to sell him. Happy days. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. It's mad. Oh, and here's the other puppet as well, who's wormed his way back in, by the way. Has anyone noticed that Chris Wheatley, that absolute tosspot, that lied about Thomas Partey and then got his perks taken away and had to go and work for Nottingham Forest for a year? Has anyone noticed he's wormed his way back in? He's starting to report on Arsenal again. Has anyone noticed this? After a whole year at Nottingham Forest, all of a sudden, all of his stuff's Arsenal again. How is that even possible? How? But apparently, Arsenal are close to sealing the club record deal to sign Declan Rice, reports Chris Wheatley, who fucking lied through his teeth about Thomas Partey. There we go. What do I know? And these are the puppets that people believe. Yeah, good one. Anyway, have a blessed day. I'm out of here. I'll be back again with Terry in an hour. I'll have some more videos out on there later tonight as well. 2 more to come on here. Go and check out the Mbappe story on Lee Reacts. And then I'll have a story about the Saudis on there. The Qataris on there later for Man United as well. So yeah, have a blessed day. Adios.